I have my vintage Traxxas 4Tech out here running the stock power system. It has the stock mechanical speed controller and the stock 20-turn Traxxas motor in here, brushed motor. So as you can see, there's the mechanical speed controller and the stock motor. It's a 20-turn unit. Not the most powerful thing in the world, but we'll see how far we can push this, and then we're gonna move on to a faster setup. Now, last time out here, I was running the stock gearing. I had a, I believe it was an 84 tooth Spur gear and a 28 tooth Pinion. This time out here, I have a Kimbrough 72 tooth Spur gear and a 41 tooth Pinion gear. So it should be a lot faster if this motor can supply the power to support that gearing. So we'll see what it does. I'm also running some foam tires on here. I have 26mm tires up front, and I have 30mm tires here on the back. They're slightly smaller in diameter, which could eat away a little bit at the top speed, but they're pretty close. So that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and see what this thing can do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing buttoned up, and we'll see what kind of speeds we can get today. Hopefully I'm more successful than I was with the nearly 100-mile-an-hour Bandit today. Connectivity issues. Got this GPS zeroed out, and we're reading. Can we reach 40 miles an hour today? Well, there we go. Today is full of failures. We're actually slower than the previous run. The motor is not liking it. It just does not have the power to run these taller gears. So there we go. I'm glad I stopped it when I did, because that thing was getting hot. I just did another run off camera and hit 35, so not sure why there's a speed difference. It shouldn't be going faster after partially using the battery, but I'm gonna do one more quick run here and just see if we can do any better than 35. I gave it about 10 minutes to cool down. No, that's it, 35.2 miles an hour. Man, that motor is hot already. Well, it's getting hot, that's for sure. The speed controller is not too hot. These wires do have a lot of resistance. These connectors have a lot of resistance as well. And this resistor is pretty cool because I did not go partial throttle at all. Or at least not much. All right, well, there we go. This stock motor just did not have the power to support this tall gearing in this car. It was actually almost identical to the speeds last time, maybe even just a little bit slower. So I think short of putting bearings in here, I've maxed out this motor. My bearings should be here in a few more days, so maybe I will run them with this setup just so we can get a comparison. And then I want to go ahead and likely put a Traxxas 12-turn Titan brushed motor in here. Keep running the mechanical speed controller. I'll probably redo the wiring. Everything here is getting really warm. A lot of resistance. These wires, they're like, I don't know, 18 gauge or something. They're just like spaghetti noodles. And I think though this motor just does not have the power to really do much more. So I don't know if that will really pay dividends here. However, if I run a Traxxas 12-turn motor, those things are actually fairly powerful. For a brushed motor, they're quite powerful. And I think I can get this thing at least 50, maybe faster. If I can't do it on the mechanical speed controller, then I'll switch over to electronic speed controller. But it's kind of fun running the mechanical one. And yeah, stay tuned, and the mechanical speed monster is going to be out here again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.